Good morning. It is June 5th, 8:02 a.m. I just woke up and it's the start of my birth week. I don't really think we have anything necessarily planned. It's again a work day. I think the weather's gonna be nice. So we might use the pool. Oh, and I have dance class. So that's gonna be fun. I think we're just gonna see how the day goes, see what we end up doing, and get a nice start to the birth month. So, montage. Good morning times 2. I am thinking I'm just gonna do a quick get ready just because I have a meeting in about 45 minutes. So, let's get started. Actually, this is my toner. Let's get started. I just finished FaceTiming my sister, and I'm basically done with the skincare as well. I'm just making sure that I have all the moisturizer out of my hand. I was gonna bring something up, but I can't remember. It's the month of June. It's gonna be a very busy month. If by any chance I post this vlog after my birth week is fully over, I'm gonna put some clips here that basically just encapsulated my birth week, or videos, pictures, whatever I ended up putting there. But it's crazy. I'm 25, or I'm going to be 25. I will be 25 whenever this thing pops out. But that to me is wild. May was great. Very busy, but good. I ended up doing a lot of different kinds of things with tap day. We did some little... Jake surprised me to go to the ballet. That was something that happened end of May, early June. We did a bunch of different things, so I'll put that here. Yeah, today it's really just I have a meeting now in 30 minutes, so I have to get ready for that because it's 9 o'clock now, so I have to start getting work done. And realistically, I'm not really sure what the day's going to bring, so I think this vlog might be slightly different than this is the checklist of everything I usually do. But what I know for sure and for a fact is that with work, I have a couple of meetings. I have things for work too to get done. And the day is really nice out, so I think I'm gonna put on a dress. It'll be a little bit more spring summery, because for spring it's been so rainy around here that definitely not it. But I do have my dance class later today as well. And I also need to start editing some things, so I'll get that done, and I'll most likely work outside because it looks very sunny out and nice to be in the sun. So let's get on with the day and see where it takes us. Bye. I just finished up my first of 3 calls, or maybe that I have today. But I'm noticing my hair, and I wanted to shower later on, but since we might be using the pool, I'm kind of I don't know if I want to wash my hair and then wash my hair again later. So when I came downstairs, I brought down my Day dry shampoo. I actually like this one better than I had the Living Proof one, but this one's it's not a spray, it's powder, so you can see how it powders on. Let me just do that real quick. So I feel like that helps a good amount. It brings it up compared to it being so flat like it was before. But I do have another meeting. I noticed that I didn't put my rings on after I showered yesterday, so I have those here with me as well. It's really funny because the rings I have, I've had them for a while now, and the newer ones that I use because I got them last year for my birthday. Like, I look at them and I'm like, they're still so nice and shiny, but in theory I could go get them cleaned, so I might go do that at some point this month, because it's been a year, which is crazy to me, but it's fine. I know I have to eat breakfast soon. I'm still not quite sure what I want to eat or what I want. I did have a little bit of mango earlier, which was yummy, and I gave some to Jake to take to work yesterday, or I gave it to him yesterday so he can eat it this morning. So there's that. To like put this away, I'm just gonna tap it in my hair. I need to brush it, but I'm trying to think of anything else. I've just been cleaning. It's really weird to like see the house a little bit more clean, and I just have to throw a bunch of stuff away, but I always feel bad throwing stuff away in the like when it's raining, because like things get gross, and I have a lot of boxes, so I think today might be a good day to leave things outside just so it doesn't get soggy and gross. But I think I'm gonna get some tattoos in today, which is exciting. I just got the out for delivery message, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I recently went to Sephora to get my birthday gift. I might like stop by some other places to get some more birthday gift things. Because I think June 1st I got like all the emails of like, you have this many dollars off, or like this, that, and the third. So I'm gonna be doing that. And yeah, I have a meeting in like 30 seconds, so let me get back to work. But so far, morning's been very good. I just finished up my first half of meetings. I have like 30-ish minutes before my next one, so I figured I might as well make some raspberry lemonade. I have this Cuisinart thing, so I'm gonna connect it real quick. Let me just move the camera and we'll get back to it. Okay, so this one's kind of funky because I have to like squeeze this and then move that, so what I'm gonna do now real quick is just add the lemonade in here and then like mix it up one more time. Ideally we would be using like actual lemons, but I have not gone grocery shopping, so we still have some more lemonade. So let me add a little here. It's not much, but it looks great. I'm gonna take a quick little sip and see if I need to add some more lemonade in there, but I think I'm gonna take my next meeting from outside, and then I think I have my dance class and probably just do some grocery shopping after that. So yeah, back to meetings. Bye. I am taking my last meeting from outside. The sun is still not in my face, so that is good. I am joining it now. I want to say it's on Zoom, but it could be on Google. Nope, it's on Zoom. Cool. So I am going to join the call, do that. The host is starting it, so hopefully you have no issues with me working from outside today. But day's been nice. It's currently, let's see, 84 degrees out, so that's warm. But meeting started. Bye. I just finished up my last call, and there's so many little buggies out here that I just cleaned it out and like sprayed them off, so that's good. I think I killed like 2 on my computer, so I need to like wipe off my computer. But my meetings are all done. I am probably going to head out shortly to go get some lunch and probably do a little grocery shopping since I have the time. My dance class got canceled because my dance teacher has something that came up, so we're gonna have to reschedule. But if by any chance I go to my class before I post this, I'll add something here. then my tattoos, I think, got here. So I'm going to go take a look at that, and then we'll just regroup after I'm done working. But yeah, a little bit more work, and then out to grocery shop. Ate a little bit of something, and I tried this on, but I just ate, so like it's not really on my lips. I didn't realize it was a lip plumper, so it tingled a little bit, but I did get my tattoos, so I'm very excited about them because I got some for myself, some for my sister, and for Damien. I got my flower. This one's for my sister. I really like these because they last a while. This one's the one that baby boy picked out, which was kind of funny. Right here. And then these are the ones that I usually grab, so these are for like my fingers, because I normally don't like to have like my rings on when it's like sunny. And then this last one, and then this one I might cut in half, and Jake might wear one and I will wear another one. But those are my Inkbox tattoos. I finished up some work. I still have like 1 or 2 more things to do, but almost done with the work day, and then hopefully pool, because it's 87 degrees out. So hot. All done working for today. I am glad that I finished this up. I finished up stuff for work too already. So now it's basically just a matter of cleaning up a little bit around here. I have so many blankies around me, even though it's so hot. And yeah, it's Thursday, so tomorrow's Friday. We're gonna have a great little weekend. Fingers crossed that it doesn't rain over the weekend. But I think I'm just gonna relax a little bit, take a look at my phone, wherever it might be right now, right here, and we'll see where the day takes us. Bye. Finished up most of the things for today, so I actually just got our snorkel gear. So these are the goggles and thing. It comes with like a little ball, so when we go underwater it should be fine. The one that we got, it was like 2 for the price of like 1.5. So these black ones, I'm sure Jake's gonna use these. I can use the pink ones. Obviously I do not mind. So we figured we'll use that for the pool today, just to make sure that they work well, and when we go on our vacations and stuff, we have it. So figured show that, because I thought we had snorkel gear, and I guess we don't. I don't even have goggles. Like, I don't even know where my goggles are. So I'm going to go change, and then the next little bit of us is probably going to be us using our snorkel and going into the pool, because it's currently 86 degrees out, so hot. We made it to the pool section, and I have a little thing here. Then we're going to jump in, and then we'll see if this actually works or not. It does make a noise. Anyway, we're gonna jump into the pool. So I tried these both out. I think they work really well. It's tempered glass, so I can see very well when they're on me. They did get a little foggy, but I think it's because I didn't like actually scrunch them onto my face. But the water's really cold, so we'll see how long we last. What did you think?
They work great. For like 20 bucks. Not
yeah.
bad.
It's 20 for both, so it's like 10 or 11 for both, like each. It's cold.
Not that bad. If you're in it for a little bit longer, you'll be okay.
Yeah, like my legs are starting to be okay. Okay, we're gonna keep zooming.
That's Peppa.
We're cooking, aka he's cooking. I wanted a shrimp since he went to Florida a couple weeks ago, so he finally brought shrimp home. Whee!
That's right.
My hair's still wet from the pool. We went to go play tennis right after. So now, I should probably heat this up now at this point.
Yeah, heat it up.
Crazy
hot, max.
We have...
Make sure all of them are lit.
They're not. I don't know why, like, the front bit of it isn't actually lighting up, so I'm gonna go get the thing to light it up.
I'm gonna do it just for coloring.
We got it. A little bit of sazon is going in.
Even though it's not good for you,
it's not that good for you.
I'm gonna put such a small amount.
But it tastes so good.
It tastes really good. Just a little dash of it, because now it's gonna turn the whole thing red. Watch.
Yum. pretty good seasonings. We also have some broccoli here. I want to add that Big Bird number 2 is coming. I'll understand what that means when it's needed. We need to cook pasta because we have this sauce. Hey!
Oh, sorry.
We have these sauces that I've been wanting to try. And I feel like we could probably also do some pizza because we haven't made pizza at home in a while. And we've done some pretty good job with the dough. Like, I have a pretty good recipe of it. So that's that. I got blueberries. Very excited. So the same way that I made my raspberry juice this morning, I'm gonna make it with blueberries. So while he cooks the shrimp, I'm gonna do some blueberry juice. He's cooking the shrimp. I'm connecting these thingies so we can do the blueberry mush. Until he tries to drink, the shrimp's ready. Look at that. Yummy. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more lemonade to the juice because it looks a little too dark. I think it's perfect.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
That needs nothing. Wow.
And it's nice and cold too, which is good because sometimes it's never like the perfect temperature, but it's nice and cold, which is good.
Wow. You guys are selling that.
Delicious. Well, now it's time for dinner. I'll be making myself a plate. And I think I'm going to end the vlog here because we're most likely watching a movie or a show.
Yes.
We finished Paddle Camp, which was pretty good.
I think there should be a new movie for us. It's been like a month that we.
I know. We were watching Now You See Us, and we never finished it. The Magic movie.
Oh yeah. That's right.
So we might watch that, or we might watch something completely new and different. But I'm gonna eat a shrimp because now he's already 3 shrimps in, and I haven't tried it yet.
This is my second
one. Woo! Anything you like that?
I like that.
All set?
All set.
Cool. Well, till next time. Bye.